I'm Ray. Today we're gonna play with Orbeez. Let's get into it. Whoa! Time to pull them in. Oh! Look at that! Audience! They come with some toys as well. That's so cool. Look at this, audience. Whoa! Oh! I am explained. I'm gonna do this. Whoa! What happened? This is so cool. Audience, how was your day? Probably cool. I know. Mine is so cool. Well, what's cool is I'm playing with Orbeez and I'm gonna do this. With this toy, this tool. Look, audience, look. Boop, boop, boop. Audience, this is gonna be satisfying. Audience, did you hear that? That was so satisfying. Whoa, look inside of that, audience. That's so nasty.
Ew, that's disgusting.
My favorite thing is I love puzzles. I love to play my tablet. It was so fun when I get to play anything now on. Wow, look at that. Look at these, audience. Look at the Orbeez. Oh. Audience, it feels so weird when you hold the Orbeez. It feels so weird, like, oh. It feels like water, but slime. Water and slime mixed together. It feels so weird. It feels like goo. Like gooey. I'm gonna play with my next favorite thing, Kinetic Sand. Whoa. Audience, is this cool? Look, audience. Look. Whoa. Audience, look. How cool is that? I'm gonna use this castle mold. Let's fill it up with sand. But look at the color of the kinetic sand. Look, audience.
Yes! That's awesome!
Let's get all the sand into this castle. And my favorite thing about kinetic sand is what you can make. All the things you can try to make. You can try to make a sand castle, which is hard because you have to do it at a beach. But if you get real sand, not try to buy real sand, it's like fake sand, you can actually try to make one. It's so cool how you can just like spread it out, try to make a coolest design, what they have. The molds are like so cool. Look, the castle's almost finished. Let's make a little bit of room. And there we go. Tap, tap, tap. To turn it up. Look, audience, a castle. And then I'm gonna play with this turtle mold. Let's get some sand into it. Look, audience, I'm almost finished. Look. Isn't that awesome and amazing? And then Pat, pat, pat.
All you gotta do is just tap it in. Just tap it in.
Turn it up. Look, audience, it's a turtle. Turtle, turtle, turtle.
What do you think?
I like turtles.
I want to make this crab mold. Let's get sand into it. Whoa, that's a big chunk, audience. I'm gonna put it in the crab. Time to make some room. Then, look, audience, the crab. Right there. Crabby crab, crab, turtle, castle. Whoa, isn't that cool? Thank you guys for hanging out with me. From my two favorite toys, Kinetic Sand and Orbeez. Bye.